Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Pina Apriliani. I come from Tasikmalaya and I'm active and student at the Indonesian Education University. My majoring in elementary school teacher education, and here I will share my very exciting and extraordinary experience in learning English. Okay, all my friends, must be impatient to hear it because experience is not just experience, but a learning process from not being able to do it. Because the saying goes, there will be not a success except after hardship. My initial English skills were limited to knowing some vocabulary, grammar, writing, reading, and also pronunciation, which was still not very fluent. Even where a percent my English skills had reached 65%, but because there was no application my language and my skills English decreased and were only around 40%. But and in this third semester I meet English skills course. I hope this is the beginning of me developing my English again. And when I took the English language course with Mr. Erwin, I found many things that were quite challenging and interesting. Okay, one watch with that I had to be able to understand every word that Mr. Erwin said because my listening is not very good. But it became challenge for me. I had to face until I could understand and be to profession fluent and in listening. And next, making animation stories a challenge for me again. And the next challenging at the learning read with the curtain technique use. I had to be able to adapt to all these techniques. There was quite challenging for me, but I found and I likes. And by learning reading techniques, my read style improved and my vocabulary inserted by little. Because I'm a person who likes challenge, so the challenging things I mentioned earlier are also interesting for me because every challenge a goal for me. I have to did the check. And the proudest moment in my opinion during my studies was when I made stories by English. It's very good. I thought quite satisfying, and that was proudest things and I could feel during my studies. During the learning process, I have learned a lot, including reading, writing, listening, making stories, pronunciation, and tips or outlines for TOEFL, and many others I cannot mention one by one. However, with 3 credits in one semester, it is not enough to make my English skills more proficient. And one of the goals taking this course for the get to TOEFL scores according to the target. And problem is that the TOEFL discussion is only discussed in few meetings because limited time. I hope that in the future there will be a course focus for discussion at TOEFL. And I need to improve again is listening because English is quite complex. What is written, not same what is read. And their pronunciation because sometimes the way of writing is different from the way of pronouncing it. So my pronunciation needs to be improved and my vocabulary also need to be inserted. After I told you about English skills with understanding and skills, let's first look at my initial percent of learning English, which was 65%, and after taking the English skills course, there was an insurance to 80%. Also calculate from my TOEFL results, which were quite class. I think this course I deserve was A-. I hope this course can be an encouragement for me to always love English. Okay, that's all can I say. I hope the English skills will be the key to achieve for all my goals because experience is the best teacher. And see you next video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.